Understanding the phrase, check up, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, check up. Whether you've heard it at the doctor's office, in a casual conversation, or in various other settings, this phrase is quite common in English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it. The phrase, check up, is a noun, and it's made up of two words, check and up. When combined, these words create a phrase that refers to a thorough examination or inspection of something to ensure it's in good condition. Examples in sentences. 1. I have a doctor's checkup tomorrow. 2. My car is at the mechanic for a checkup. In these examples, checkup is used to describe a comprehensive assessment of one's health and a vehicle's condition, respectively. Medical checkup. One of the most common contexts where you'll hear checkup is in a medical setting. A medical checkup usually involves a doctor examining a patient to ensure they are healthy and to catch any potential health issues early on. Vehicle checkup. Another context could be a vehicle checkup, where a mechanic inspects a car to make sure everything is working properly. General maintenance. You can also use checkup in a broader sense, referring to any form of general maintenance or inspection. Examples. 1. I'm doing a monthly checkup on all the electrical appliances in my house. 2. The technician did a checkup of our heating system before winter. Understanding when and why to use the phrase, check up, is crucial. Regular checkups are vital for maintaining good health, ensuring safety, and preventing potential issues in various aspects of life and machinery. They embody the idea of preventative care and maintenance. And that's pretty much it for the phrase, check up. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and use in different contexts. Remember, incorporating such phrases into your everyday English can significantly enhance your language skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.